on, guys? So today I'm gonna be bringing you guys a new video. Today I'm gonna be installing the front LEDs for the truck. I've been waiting for the LEDs for a while now, for at least like 3 weeks or 4 weeks. I'm pretty sure close to a month now that I've been waiting for the LEDs to come, and they just haven't been coming because of the damn coronavirus and stuff. So in total, I bought 3 LEDs, right? The first ones actually were given to me, but they weren't the right the right LEDs that I needed. So you know, I had to order another pair. So I did, and that pair still hasn't gone here. So I have a homie who's putting his LEDs for sale, the brand new and stuff. So, you know, cop them. Might as well get them right now. Pay a little extra money, but you know, you'll have them installed and you'll have them there. So that's what I wanted. That's what I was looking for. You guys got to be careful out here because it's hydroplaning and shit, and it's fucking dangerous. I just hydroplaned hella bad. I'm gonna show you guys the road so you guys can see how it is. It's raining, it's pouring. It's really bad outside. Can't see anything. And I'll get back to you guys when I'm at my guy Brian's house. And yeah. That look good. You can't really tell, but the lights are yellow. They're yellow as hell. Tell they're yellow. I don't like it. We're gonna change it. Yeah, I know. He's gonna hit my wood. He's tweaking. You to guide me. Nasty ass yellow light, that's a no.
Next, you know the other LEDs come out yellows too. Even brighter yellow though.
That's good about yellow lights.
You thought they were blue lights because the logo is blue.
Hey, Nestor, can I throw these on the ground and step on them, bro?
I didn't even broke from the microwave. Microwave's still working, you guys. What it is?
Alright, pop that hood. Where's my phone at?
Hold on.
I want to dry out.
Yeah, where's my phone at, bro?
Hold on, don't open it yet.
Hold on.
That's not my side, but she was in here. Probably fell in here. Oh yeah, Brian actually fell in here. Brian! Fucking idiot. I didn't put Did you find it? What? Did you find it?
No. Use it on phone.
I don't got it, did I?
No, you guys laughed and I already seen that shit. How my phone? Yeah, I have my shit.
I don't got you shit.
Y'all clearly smiling, bro. I'm just happy, bro. Shit, I'll just call Marcus PO fucking retrieving footage. Let's see where he motherfuckers.
There's cameras in here?
Yeah, there's a camera in here, but I feel like it's in this little box up here. Why, bro? I need my phone though.
I don't got it.
Why is it in here, bitch?
Oh, hey, let me see my phone. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
It's my phone.
Let me see it though.
Hey, bro, can I have
I'm gonna call my phone.
Alright, I'll play it.
No, let me see.
Edward, where is he not for real? Is it still in the box, nigga?
Yes.
He fell in there, bro.
Where?
Check in there. See,
Nah, you motherfuckers just put it in there.
Nah, nigga.
Yeah, nah.
Nah, not for real. It fell in there because you left it right there.
I guess.
Some gay shit.
I guess.
Or you like it when he stick you. Yeah, because you put that metal thing in your fucking face.
Yeah, you do it. Oh, I found what it fell. Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, just shoot me. Yes, look at these clips. It's not broken, it's just popped off. Yeah, it is.
Nasty, you make the spaz, bro.
I'm saying, bro.
Hey,
Last time this man got pissed. He was like, oh, you found it? Oh, see? Tell you, bro, when you don't trip over it, nothing. And I'm just like, what the fuck? Until like I see the sun starting to come out, and that's when my body decides to go to sleep and wake up at like 10.
I wonder why that is, bro.
Yeah.
That's how this is all the baby.
Me too. Like, I mean, for me right now, it's because I'm not working usually. When I go to work, I come home at 7 p.m. because I'd be over from open to close. I come home and I literally just shower, get zoomed, and I just go to sleep. Because I was all tired. But then now since it's all quarantine, I've been having nothing to do. So I just be cooling, and then like, I don't go to sleep. I don't get sleepy like that. Compared to when I used to go to work, I come home all tired and fall asleep right away. Now I just be sitting there in the room, just like a dumbass. Oh, bro, turn the vibe.
I just look.
Bro, come look at the difference.
That just means it gives it power. I don't want to keep doing it, but yeah, I see.
Yo, let's just go look hella clean. Yeah, maybe see, bro, you gotta be self-whip. Fighting that bitch. I'm telling you. You don't find it fun, but when you're doing it yourself on your own car.
I don't want to get this one.
Yo, once Marvin getting off that ankle bracelet in like next week or 2 weeks. Same shit.
Couple of weeks time.
In like 2 more weeks, like, yeah, he gets out that he got out on the 6th. Do a bonfire. And yeah, you got a bonfire. Los comelotes también.
Dale.
Oh, yeah, you How'd you guys get out the last time? Like the first time when you first swapped these ones? How'd you guys take out the headlight? Like, no, y'all didn't struggle to take them out? Like, no, we struggled?
We struggled a lot.
Okay. Yeah, we didn't know what the fuck you were doing.
Try it again, Kevin. Just like try to like put it back on. Yeah. Alright, go.
Put it down, right?
Yeah.
Ooh, bro, I'm telling you.
It looks clean, G.
Sacala. You ain't going to get a truck now. Yeah, low key. Yeah, because like they're so comfortable when you're riding them, because it's like you're riding on clouds and shit. Not only that, just the look, the way you're building this one. I like that visor though.
Good look.
Oh my man.
Va amaneciendo y el gallito ya lo estoy quemando. La pestilencia del humito me tiene alborotado, pensando en grande pues lamentablemente sigo abajo. No soy dejado, soy un plebe que va comenzando. En mi troquita es donde siempre me la ando ruleteando. Por todo Houston siempre hay jale, ahorita no ha faltado. Tengo una reina que es mi vida, como la adoro tanto, la que cura mis caprichos cuando ando emputado. Porque abriendo una se destapan todas,